I'm riding down 85, smoking one, watching out one of the laws. What they say out here, the 12. You know, I feel some kind of way because, you know, we the Seahawks, man. We the 12th, man. And they be like the 12s. The 12s is bad. I'm like, whoa, 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 whoa. But, you know, it's all good. Nigga had to understand it. Laws and regulations everywhere you go. Yo, right down 85, smoking on one. Keisha. Yeah, they got Keisha in the A, nigga. They smoke more Keisha out here than we do in Seattle, I feel like. When all the Keishas gone in the city, it's out here in the A, man. I truly believe it now. Boy. Oh, my blunt right there. What you saying? Whoa, wait a minute. I know this is just the I-85 blunt. In case the law come, I can chew it and throw it. You feel me? Shit, fuck. All the cameras here. I'm